Okay, pagkatapos po i-announce ni Manny Pacquiao na lalabanan niya si Floyd Mayweather at lahat po ng news outlet, international, local ay binalita na ito. So totoong-totoo na ito. So ngayon pagkagising ko, naisip ko tuloy bigla, kaya na ba talunin ni Manny Pacquiao si Floyd Mayweather sa kanilang rematch? No, marami pong opinion at marami ding nagsasabi na tatakbo lang yan si Floyd Mayweather, hindi mananalo si Manny Pacquiao. Dito po sa video na ito, sasagutin ko at sasabihin ko sa inyo opinion ko, anong dapat mangyari, anong dapat gawin ni Manny Pacquiao para po siya ang manalo. At yung totoo, kaya ba talagang manalo ni Manny Pacquiao? Let me know nga sa comment section. Gusto ko pong basahin dahil si Manny Pacquiao ay ang ating pambansang kamao. No? Marami sa atin na gusto siyang manalo. Pero ano sa tingin nyo? Yung totoo guys, no judgment. Let me know what you truly think about the Manny Pacquiao versus Floyd Mayweather rematch.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Okay. So, hindi ko po itatago na ako po ay masaya dito dahil tuwing lumalaban si Manny Pacquiao ay talaga namang isa ako sa masaya. Unang-una, syempre marami tayong pag-uusapan and Manny Pacquiao is the best and the greatest of all time boxer coming from the Philippines and arguably the world. Ngayong in-announce na po ang laban nila sa September 19 sa Las Vegas sa The Sphere. Ito yung magandang uh, arena, concert, sporting event. Napakaganda doon. Kaya ako, sasabihin ko na sa inyo kaagad, I'm also campaigning. If anyone can help me get a visa and sponsor me to go to Las Vegas and watch that September 19 to cover Manny Pacquiao, please let me know and send me an email. So that's my personal. But anyway, guys, kung sa tingin kong matatalo si Manny Pacquiao, bakit pa ako pupunta doon? Di ba? So, ang katanungan po ng lahat at maraming nagdududa, kung hindi nga umubra si Manny Pacquiao doon sa unang laban, paano pa kaya ngayon? At 50 ang lumabang kay Floyd Mayweather, wala namang nanalo. Ito po muna ang tale of the tape. So, pag-usapan natin, initial thoughts, mahaba pang usapan ito, marami, no? So, si Floyd Mayweather, of course, malinis ang kanyang kartada, 50 panalo, at ang kanyang edad, malapit na rin mag-50. Yeah, he is taller than Manny Pacquiao. He last fought professionally. Again, when I say professionally, lumaban po siya sa mga exhibition bouts after Conor McGregor. Siyempre, Conor McGregor, talagang bugbugin niya yan. Conor McGregor, tinalo niya Andre Berto, and 2015 was their last meeting. Samantala, si Manny Pacquiao has had a lot of fights after that 2015. Si Floyd, dalawa lang na professional bout. So, Manny Pacquiao, 62, 8 defeats, and 3 losses. I mean, 3 draws. 47 years old, Southpaw, Mario Barrios, muntik na. And ako, agree ako kay Manny Pacquiao. Sa tingin ko siya dapat ang nanalo doon. Pero ito rin ang isang malaking bagay na dapat natin pag-isipan dito sa laban na ito. Dennis Ugas, natalo sa by unanimous decision. Jeff Horn, and this is the career of Manny Pacquiao. He continued on even after that, ang tawag dito, yung laban niya kay Floyd Mayweather. So 2025 last professional bout niya. Nagginto na rin siya ng 2021. And yung pinaka-active talaga siya last 2019. All right. So let's go now. Pag-usapan na natin ito. So, ikaw, yung totoo. Sa tingin mo ba kayang talunin ni Manny Pacquiao si Floyd Mayweather? Unang-una, naiisip ko kagad, based on dun sa laban niya kay Mario Barrios. And sa totoo lang, guys, although, people would say we're biased with Manny Pacquiao, that could have gone either way. Now, imagine if that fight na maganda ang pinakita ni Manny Pacquiao against Mario Barrios and he was hailed by a lot na siyang panalo, paano kung yan din ang mangyari kay Floyd Mayweather? Aasa pa ba tayo na mananalo tayo? If the fight is close, especially against Floyd Mayweather, na assumingly, allegedly, no? Sinasabi ng iba that he is more protected, one of the most protected boxer in Las Vegas. Doon pa, yung gusto niya talagang lumaban lagi sa Las Vegas. If the fight is going to look like that, then hindi tayo mananalo. That's the real talk. So that means the fight needs to be a clear win for Manny Pacquiao. That's number one. So isipin nyo na kagad na pagdikit itong laban na ito, malabo tayo. Yung Mario Barrios nga, hindi tayo napagbigyan dun eh. At marami pong mga laban si Manny Pacquiao na, like for example, Jeff Horn, man, Timothy Bradley. So maraming mga ganun situation. So mahirap umasa sa close fight decision. Okay. So that's one consideration. Now, here's the other thing. Naalala ko din, hindi ko alam kung naalala nyo sa mga nanonood. Floyd Mayweather, sabi niya hindi na siya babalik. He's 50-0. Wala na makapagpabalik sa kanya. Pero bigla siyang bumalik. And coincidentally, no, ito ay after sa mga alleged issue niya financially. Rumor issue na siya daw ay nagkakaroon ng problema sa pera. There are even rumors about bankruptcy or things like that. So, iisipin ko na lang, is Floyd Mayweather really coming back for what? Di ba? Because he needs the money. Does his mind and body, or let's say mind na lang muna, maybe the body is still there because he's an elite athlete, pero is the mind still with boxing? Does he really want to box professionally? Now, he's been fighting in boxing and an exhibition. As a matter of fact, meron siya exhibition sa April against Mike Tyson. Likewise with Manny Pacquiao against Provodnikov in April. So, that's a mindset. So, that's naman favoring us. So, 1-1 na. Baka wala sa utak ni Manny Pacquiao talaga ni Floyd Mayweather talaga na lumaban. Siya ay napipilitan lamang dahil sa pera, dahil sa kikitain. So, yun yung isang dapat natin i-consider. What is the motivation behind? Kasi alam ko si Manny Pacquiao, and this is also for us, Manny Pacquiao, ang tagal niya nang naghahamon, nagpaparinig, ang tagal niya nang gustong makalaban sa rematch itong si Floyd Mayweather. Finally, sumagot din. Plak, pera lang ang katapat. No? At this is so good, 2015, 2006. Dapat last year para 10 years after, no? This is 2015, 2026. And Manny Pacquiao, I believe, is much more motivated. This isn't about the money, just about the money. Of course, it is about the money. Ang laki ng pera na kikitain nila dito. But I think, between the two, I know that Manny Pacquiao wants this fight more. I know that Manny Pacquiao is more motivated. So, that in itself, grabe, is already a plus sign. Naaalala nyo yung sinasabi natin sa mga boxer. May mga boxer na magagaling, pero pag yung utak nila ayaw na magboxing, that could be a problem. So, this could be a problem for Floyd and a plus for Manny Pacquiao because Manny Pacquiao, it's not just about the money. It's not about just winning. It's personal for Manny. He has a goal. Gusto niyang talunin at bigyan ng unang talo. So, this is more than just a belt. Kasi wala pang nakakatalo kay Floyd Mayweather. So, si Manny Pacquiao na ba yan? Hindi pa natin napapag-usapan kung kaya ba talaga niya. Now, here's the thing. And I know you guys nag-comment. So, comment muna kayo guys. Speaking of money, it helps me a lot if you comment, if you share. Lalo na Manny Pacquiao ang topic natin ngayon. Kung umabot ka dito sa part na to. Yes sir, ikaw po. Maaari po bang mag-comment ka and let me know what you truly think about this. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-comment, kung sa tingin mo talaga na may pag-asang manalo si Manny Pacquiao or makabawi talaga siya dito kay Floyd Mayweather. Hintayin ko. Let me know in the comment section. But here's what I think. No? Here's what I think. And let me know if you agree with me. Back when they fought, maraming nagsasabi na late na rin yung laban na yon. That fight with Manny Pacquiao with Floyd Mayweather in May was already like past prime na nga daw. Lalo na ngayon. Now, here's the thing na dapat pag-isipan. Totoo lang tayo guys ha. During that time, may injury umano si Manny Pacquiao. That was I hate to say this, but people are saying that was the excuse why Manny Pacquiao was defeated by Floyd Mayweather. Now, I will not argue if I feel we win or we lost that fight. And to be honest with you, kung ako yung tatanungin nyo, I felt like, well, if the fight can go either way, meron talagang papaboran. So close, I am not gonna complain. I accepted that defeat. Now, of course, masakit sa puso natin bilang Pilipino na matalo doon. But if the fight again is the same way, it's close, then yes. Now, sa mga magsasabi naman ng mga Pilipino or mga boxing fans, sir, tatakbo lang yan si Floyd Mayweather. Obviously, that is his style. He's a defensive tactician. He's a defensive master. What else do you want him to do? Okay, so ganyan ang gagawin niya. Lalo na ngayon. Lalo na ngayon. Ngayon, the question is, 11 years after, at almost 50 years old, will Floyd Mayweather be as slick as he was before? Yan, may pag-asa, no? As slick. Yung stamina niya, yung acceptance niya ng power, ganun pa rin ba? So think about that. Ganun ka ba rin ba kaya siya ka-flexible at ka-mobile yung kanyang katawan at saka yung kanyang ano? So kasi the one thing na problema ng boxer is yung activity. If you don't, kaya nga naitutune up fight eh. Now, although magtutune up siya against Tyson, Tyson is not a good tune-up. Nothing's gonna happen there. So, that is the big question. Is Floyd mentally, does he mentally want the fight? And is he physically the same? Obviously, he's not going to be. It's going to be different. So he's risking a lot because professional fight po ito. Can he move the same way? Okay, so alam ko na, may nakikita na kagad. Sir, si Manny Pacquiao, hindi rin naman siya ganun ka-bata na. At hindi na rin siya ganun kalakas. Given the fact na, siguro, assume natin na ganun na nga. Ganun na nga. Okay? And hindi na rin siya ganun kalakas, kabilis. But he is more active. So, that argument, parang panalo siya doon. Kahit na mas matanda pa pala si Floyd. So, mas active na, mas bata pa. And that is going to be big. That will be a big consideration. That's why sa tingin ko may pag-asa. Now, what does Manny Pacquiao needs to do in order to win? Again, I'm not a boxing coach. I'm just saying, ito na po, yung dito sa last, ito yung sasabihin ko sa inyo. Ano dapat gawin ni Manny Pacquiao? Manny Pacquiao should not settle for scoring, should not settle for just winning each and every round. He's done that with Mario Barrios in the past. No, so he needs to buhusin na lahat. He needs to, sa akin, ibalik niya yung the killer Manny Pacquiao against Floyd Mayweather. Because I think, no matter how good the combination, no matter kung gaano kadami, mahihirapan ibigay kay Manny Pacquiao ang panalo. So, I do not expect a knockout. But Manny, if you're listening, if you're watching, please go for a knockout. Just like old times, that is the perfect ending. Not just Floyd Mayweather being hunted with the one defeat, but being hunted with a knockout or a knockdown for the least. So he need to go for it, and he needs to tawagin yung the destroyer Manny Pacquiao. I think that's the only way to win. I mean, it's I'm not gonna give strategy or anything like that. That'll be up for later, but sa tingin ko lang, stamina, condition, footwork, and he needs to be really, really aggressive. Again, it's not the same, but Floyd is not the same. And hindi siya, ang tagal niya na hindi nakakalaban. So that's the advantage of Manny Pacquiao. So if you ask me if we have a chance right now, yes, we do. Because Manny Pacquiao is still a boxer. Floyd is not. Or, well, he is good. But, again, professionally lumaban si Manny Pacquiao 2025, 2021. But he has to have that mindset of, he's gonna have to go for the kill. Yun na sa akin. So, Do I believe na mananalo siya? Yes, there's a chance. Do I believe na 50-50? Unfortunately, I think lamang pa rin si Floyd Mayweather because his style, his defensive style, um, nagdidikte yan ng laro eh. So, Manny Pacquiao and his team needs to be 110% or 200% conditioned and aggressive in this fight. I would rather see Manny Pacquiao lose by exchanging a knockdown than a close decision fight na matatalo na naman si Manny. That it will be another, although, some would say, magdodraw yan para third fight. Um, I'm not against it, but I would rather see, because ang pangit na naman pag si Kwenta na Battle of the Lolo na nga eh, Battle of the Grandpan sinasabi dito eh. So I would rather see them finish it right now, and I want Manny Pacquiao to go for a knockout. Even though matagal na siyang hindi nakakuha. Again, he's a more active fighter than Floyd Mayweather. But again, if nothing happens, if it's a close, wag na tayo sasakit ang puso. So, go Manny Pacquiao, kaya mo yan. I-knockout mo si Floyd.